know how hard it is dealing with the pain that it did on me.
Hey, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Tequila Like the Alcohol, and today I am doing a DIY natural toothpaste, and I'm only using 3 ingredients. The first thing will be coconut oil, some flavored mint, and some baking soda. Now, if you're a person that have sensitivity to store-bought toothpaste, then this will be the best option. It actually works great for me. It's not too strong and it actually does the job. And it's only these 3 items. Now, I will be using this 2-ounce container for my toothpaste mixture, and I will use this 1/2 cup to mix the ingredients in. Now, it does not have to be perfect. I just choose to make sure I use the right amount because it will fit into my tin all the way, and it will equal up to a total of 2 ounces. So. Now I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda into my coconut oil. And guys, I did not pour it carefully. If you do this, make sure you take your time when pouring. I am used to doing this. Now I'm going to mix up the baking soda into the oil, making sure that I mix all of the gritty baking soda up so that it blends with the coconut oil. Now I'm going to mix it up well enough until I am satisfied with the consistency, and I will be adding just about 1/2 teaspoon more to make it a little bit thicker. And be careful with this, guys, because if you pour too much, it will have a salty taste, and also it would be a little too strong. So make sure you do those measurements to your liking. So here I just did 1 tablespoon and 1/2 teaspoon. Now I'm going to add my mint flavoring, and this is about, I would say, like 3 drops. I didn't have a measuring spoon for this one, but I do pour to the amount of my liking and the way I like it to taste. Now that my mixture is mixed in well, I am going to pour it into my 2-ounce container. Now this will last me for about 3 weeks to a month if I store it in a cool place. So if you guys do decide to give it a try, make sure you keep it in a cool place because coconut oil will melt. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.